Yes, good afternoon, students. Today we are starting the topic of continuity and differentiability, chapter 5, NCERT, class 12th. Students, you have done the topic limits and derivatives in your class 11th. Now, using that topic, I am starting the concept of continuity. We will do continuity. Now, what is continuity? For that, let us suppose a function fx and let fx is equals to 1 when x is less than or equal to 0, and the value of fx is 2 when x is greater than 0. Let's try to understand this complete concept graphically. हाँ जी, when x is less than 0 means जब x 0 से कम है means it is when it is on the left side of the origin, the value of fx is equals to 1, and at x equals to 0 it is again equal to 1. So I am taking, because double symbol is there, I am taking the shaded circle, right? And when x is greater than 0, ठीक है, not at x equals to 0, but when x is greater than 0, the value of fx is 2. So just tell me, ये graph बनाने के लिए could I draw this graph without lifting the pen? Could I do this thing continuously? You all will say no, because here I have to take a halt to go for this one, right? So when we can, if we can draw a function or a curve of a function without lifting the pen, then that function is called a continuous function. Listen once again, if we can draw a function or a curve of a function without lifting the pen, then that function is called a continuous function. Now in this graph, this is 0 is the point of discontinuity of a function, because at 0 we have to lift the pen. Also, when the function is tending towards 0 from the left hand, its value, that is fx, is equals to 1. And when it is tending towards 0 from the right side, then fx is equals to 2. So we can say that left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, right? Or in other words, for a function to be continuous, we can say when left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, right? And this we write in the 12th class like limit x approaching 0 negative, means limit of fx when x is approaching 0 from the left hand side is equals to limit of the function fx when x is approaching 0 from the right hand side, then the function is continuous. But this is a necessary condition, but not a sufficient condition. Means कुछ और भी हो सकता है कि अगर हमने कहा एक लेफ्ट हैंड पर है, राइट हैंड से भी आ रही है, तो वो फंक्शन कॉन्टिन्यूअस होगा, ठीक है? कुछ और रहता है. Let us see. Let us take another example. Suppose fx is equals to 1 when x is not equal to 0 and fx is equals to 2 when x is equals to 0. अगर हमें ये क्वेश्चन दे रखा हो, हम इसे फिर से ग्राफ के थ्रू बनाकर देखते हैं. When x is not equal to 0, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि x अगर 0 के इक्वल नहीं है तो या तो वो 0 से बड़ा है या वो 0 से छोटा है. x is greater than 0 or x is less than 0. So when it is less than or greater than equal to 0, then the value of the function is 1. Means when it is tending towards 0 from the left side as well as from the right side, the value is 1. But at x equal to 0, the value of the function is 2 according to the question. अब मुझे ये बताइए कि क्या ये ग्राफ भी मैं विदाउट लिफ्टिंग माई पेन क्या मैं बना सकती थी? Again no. Why? Because at x equals to 0, the value of fx is 2. It is not 1. लेकिन अगर 1 पर भी यही होता तो मैं उसको कॉन्टिन्यूसली बना सकती थी. तो इससे मैंने क्या डिड्यूस किया, that for a graph to be continuous, for a function to be continuous, limit fx from left hand side, means tending towards 0 from left side, is equals to limit fx when x is approaching 0 from right side, is equals to fx at x equals to 0. Means a function is continuous when the left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to the limit of that function at that point. Take the value of that function at that point. Thank you.